Nyama Choma doesn't have to take hours to make. Marinate the meats first. Onto the chicken wings add natural yogurt, ginger garlic paste, tropical heat paprika, cumin powder, some turmeric powder, chili powder, which is optional, salt according to your taste, and some lemon juice, and then mix it up. Add some oil to it as you mix and then cover with cling film and let it marinate for 30 minutes. For the lamb, add olive oil, chopped garlic, tropical heat meat tenderizer, some dried rosemary, salt, and a few cracks of the pepper medley. Mix and then let it marinate for 30 minutes and then skewer the meat and set it aside. Make a quick paprika butter using butter and olive oil, tropical heat paprika, chili powder, chopped garlic, some lemon juice, and microwave for 30 seconds to melt it all together. Time to barbecue all the meat. Start with the chicken wings and the lamb skewers. After 20 minutes of cooking, place them on the side to cook in indirect heat and then go in to cook the prawns on the shell. Crack some salt on them and then go in with a generous amount of the paprika garlic butter. Cook for just a couple of minutes and then serve all the meats on a platter along with some roast potatoes. Perfect meal for an evening catch-up with the family and friends. Enjoy!